We realized things were changing in K-12 schools, not just for the students, but for teachers and administrators. Students are really familiar with technology, and they have an expectation that they want to use those tools in their teaching and learning. Teachers also want to use those tools, but often haven't had exposure to courses or training. So we created the M.Ed in Learning Design and Technology. Technology is going to continue to influence every aspect of our daily lives. We want our students to be prepared, not only with the tools to navigate that landscape, but to be prepared for changes yet to come. Point Park's philosophy of education is theory with direct application. So even though it's an online program, students can take what they're learning and apply it on Monday morning when they go to school. And we use a student-centered approach. The assignments can be customized to the interests and career goals of the student. Students are going to leave our program with a lot of new skills and a lot of new information, but I think most importantly, they're going to leave with a very broad perspective about technology and the capacity of technology across all the content areas, including professional development for teacher training. The faculty in this program all have years of experience in online work. For example, I was one of the first faculty at Point Park to enter online teaching back in the late 90s. So I have well over 20 years of experience and many certifications in online learning and online course design. And that's true for the other faculty who teach in this program too. We are professionals and we bring professional experience. The M.Ed in Learning Design and Technology is 30 credits in a cohort online. The courses are offered in 8-week segments. So students are only taking one course at a time, which is absolutely perfect for working adults. And students tell us that they love that format. Students who go through the M.Ed also complete coursework as required by the Pennsylvania Department of Education for an endorsement certificate in online learning and also a specialist certificate in instructional technology. It is an exciting time to be an educator.